Have you ever wondered how to establish efficient and effective prosthetics management processes? Well, so did we. So let's take a look at a day in the life of Melissa, a nurse. Today, she has to review the list of upcoming knee operations for the coming month. Let's see what that will look like for Melissa. Melissa needs to easily sort through a variety of prosthetics in order to identify one that is best suited for the patient. She also needs to gather more in-depth information on each prosthetic while ensuring it is in stock in time for the patient's operation. Once she has all of these details, she can reserve one or more prosthetics for her patients. Now, just reserving a prosthetic doesn't really add any meaning for our operation just yet. Melissa must attach details of the specific doctor, procedure, patient, ward, and date where the procedure will take place. Furthermore, she must be able to select a variety of sizes for each prosthetic in order to ensure the patient gets the most appropriate fitting. Our system takes the hassle out of procuring prosthetics by automatically generating a pick slip and alerting the appropriate store. The store manager is then able to scan the reserved prosthetics. Throughout this whole process, Melissa still has full visibility of stock availability, ownership status based on the prosthetics location, and any upcoming reservation details. "12 hours prior to the surgery, Melissa collects the different size prosthetics and prepares them for theater. During the operation, the doctor selects only one of these prosthetics, based on the patient's needs. Melissa must then take the remaining prosthetics back to the store, identify their unique serial number, and repackage them with details of the original procurement before sending them back to the storage location. From this stage onwards, our system automatically determines which one of the procured prosthetics was used, updates the used inventory, and saves details of the surgery with a serial number. But what happens next? If the prosthetic was loaned stock, the system automatically notifies the supplier stating stock was consumed and places a request for stock replenishment. If required, the system can also automatically match the purchase order to the supplier's invoice to prevent discrepancies. What if the stock was consigned and owned by the vendor? In this case, the system automatically updates the vendor-owned stock and assigns it to St. Finspital for ownership. The supplier can then view consumption advice and consigned inventory status in their supplier portal. Finally, the system automatically generates invoices for the transaction. And Melissa goes home knowing that the patient's treatment was a success.